This is gonna be a freaking video gone wrong.
Oh my god, whole way.
But you're uploading this one. I don't care if it ends in freaking.
So I'll put a little note in the beginning if it's good.
This isn't a lot because Miss Lily Ray ate the freaking marshmallows.
That was all of them?
Yeah, that was literally all the marshmallows.
Oh.
It's fine though, the powdered sugar makes it that one fine. Next, we need to sift, right? We need to
Because my computer is slow, I told you. You're like, no, I need a new computer.
I need a new computer.
This is the cake we're doing.
And we're doing yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah, boy, I forgot to get black dye.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something different, obviously. We're going to be trying.
I am a professional in the bake, so.
Yeah, it was her idea. She was. What am I saying?
We're going to be following a Rosina Pansino unicorn
Yeah, she wanted to
cake.
make a cake, so I was like, well, let's do like a following video or something other than just making a cake.
3 years ago you suggested it. I think I suggested it even then.
But yeah, let's just get started. We're going to be,
Basically, I already melted the marshmallows, as you guys see over there finally. And now we're going to be adding the powdered sugar to make fondant. I already made the cakes. We just did a box cake.
yeah.
Wait, I wanted to do something.
Uh-oh.
I
Yeah.
wanted to say that we made the cake and have box cake right there.
That would be alright.
I was going to be funny.
No, you're not funny. So.
You see who I live with, guys? This child.
1, they're my sister's favorite animal. 2, they're magical. 3, they
They're not
make
real.
everything better. Better. A unicorn, rainbow sprinkles.
Oh, I did that already.
I
told you.
We're having the fun.
But Mariah added these weird, gross pink sprinkles.
Yeah,
in
it
the
made
drink.
it kind of pink.
It made it turn the pink.
We don't have a cake.
Do you have cardboard? Cardboard? Circle cardboard. I don't need the circle cardboard. I need to take.
That's how you keep it nice and sturdy.
Well, no.
Should we add in a clip?
If the cake starts falling, you can add the clip of the cake falling right now.
What's this ugly cake?
It's the cake that I had freaking
Only
only
10 minutes already.
That should be the name of it. My little sister Rose and my other little sister. It's a fight war.
Since you're the new little cake.
Michaela, roasted. Maya, roasted.
Say I'm only 7 years old and I'm.
That don't know Michaela.
No, say oh my god.
You got roasted.
We're roasted.
Michaela's bad at Fortnite. Guess who's better? A 7-year-old. You got roasted.
Roasted.
That should be the name. Michaela get a roasted.
That's your name. How many times have you said that? As you can tell, that's not right. But we can't use all this powdered sugar.
Yeah, we can.
Really?
There's 4 of them.
Powdered sugar.
Michaela roasted. Okay.
I'm really going at it.
See, the cake is a little bit pink if you like to chop off the top, which I'm not going to do. What? I need that a lot. I can't hear you.
And
Look, it's turning into dough. So it kind of stuck to the counter because I didn't put it on the stupid icing sugar.
I told you.
One second, don't touch mine. I'm getting small. Don't touch mine. Okay, we're gonna use this one. You're scoot the frick off.
What?
you don't have to do stuff.
Funny, so funny that this kid doesn't listen to me. So I'm using a little one now because the big one was just too much. Kneading it, and we need to get it like not sticky.
I wish.
I can't leave it. You know what, guys? Watch this and like if it's funny for you.
Stop! That is absurdly not alright. So I didn't go and buy red dye today, or yesterday, because I usually had to buy all this yesterday. I don't have this much powdered sugar just lying around. Fine then. So for the inside of the ears, it's going to be pink, and then white around it, I believe is what she does. Stop touching them. So I made this cake. I'll insert a picture now. And we were going to my mom's birthday at the park. My mom's birthday, and I dropped the beautiful cake, and Mariah got it on camera.
I only got a little bit on camera.
Because she dropped it right away. Because I dropped it because she was filming me.
So I'm gonna start rolling out
That?
corn. Actually, yeah.
Yeah. I think it's too long. I think it's too long. Should I shorten it?
No, that's probably perfect. And then you have to do the bigger one.
Yeah, for the white. I'm
For
putting
what?
in pink, the white.
Well, yeah, for.
So basically all I did was just took a piece of
Can't
fondant.
really see. Okay, I can bring it over, but my hands are.
And then I took a circle, pressed it down, and repeated it for the other side until they leave to make a teardrop.
He believed it.
Now we're gonna do it.
No,
No, no, no, no, no, no, no, no,
Do
no.
this.
My gosh.
If we're still doing
Curly fry. Or like a curly fry when you want to do it, yeah. You're technically married. This looks awful on camera. Why does this look so gross? These are the only 2 ingredients you need, really, is butter. They say to use unsalted butter, but there's literally no butter. And there's no sticks of butter. You should use that too. But it's a balloon.
Yeah.
You should also use the paddle attachment if you have one of these. Because the whisking one will create air bubbles, and that causes a lot of issues. You see how delicious this butter looks? Oh my god, it smells awful. Okay.
I'm outside.
I have to use the tubs. I have to do this like 1,000 times. Oh. Butter and sugar is the American.
I could be a videographer. I can't be a videographer for my own channel. It's hard.
Like, don't use like crap of butter and crap of sugar to get freaking buttercream icing. What was that? 3?
ignored me.
Yeah, you can be a videographer, but you're the one.
Yes, I think that was 3.
Okay, now you want to keep it on.
Guys, I don't think your butter's supposed to stink.
Your butter doesn't smell good.
Ew.
This is freaking the cheapest butter you could buy. This tub was like $1.
I think it's bad.
It's not bad.
So this is our fail.
So we're gonna attempt to use this because it's, you know, it's still a tub, but it's like colder and more firm than whatever this is. It has different ingredients.
And butter.
Butter could die. The butter can die. I need to have sugar. That's not right. Someone tell me what I did wrong. I just used butter. It was.
It's like egg yolks. Is that yolk and follow?
Better not be. Stop. Ah! I've got everywhere. Can you hold it? Can you do something?
I'm the videographer.
I hate you. Marianne. I actually hold the bag. I'm almost done. This bowl's heavy, really heavy, really heavy. Oh my god. This butter, something's wrong with it. This is not. This is not right, guys. I don't know. Nothing's gonna thicken this thing up. Nothing.
See, this is what happens when we try to do baking videos. Okay, so while Mikhail tries
Ew,
to...
this butter's like separating.
What?
Ugh,
Ew.
like throw up. It's coming. What? I found $3, but it was in Mom's drawer. You think she'll care? I don't know. It's butter. Call her. It's fine. Call her. It's well. You call her.
You! I gotta fix the butter. I gotta fix the icing.
I think it needs like.
Look at the difference between these two butters.
I don't know. I honestly.
We have a lot of footage of nothing. Guys, it's working.
We at least need more powdered sugar, right? I tried to make a cake yesterday like this.
I had the rest of the freaking powdered sugar.
It's working.
I told you. She's gonna hate that later.
Don't show me. Oh, actually, here. So this one top? Yeah. Okay. There you go. Okay, next we're going to fill it. I need to fill it. Oh, I'm just gonna like smack some on it. Okay. Spray around. You want your icing to be You want your icing to be thick? So it's my butt touched her butt. Please don't. That's a lot. Yes, it needs to be a lot. This is so low. Hopefully you guys can see what we're doing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gentle, almost tore it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Put it on. Wait. You put it on this one first off. First off. You can put it on this one and I'll spread it out.
Why?
You guys. Take it off. Okay. Nice. Don't break the top. Gentle. Frick!
No, my video!
Wait, what did, will it stop? Will it
I
not?
didn't save it.
What didn't you say? What is it? What do you mean?
My editing!
Oh, you can bring it back though, I think, right?
Not all of it.
It'll be fine. It'll be okay.
Power just shut off.
I thought you meant the video we're going right now, and I was about to flip.
What? Yeah, no, not
Is that enough?
No. What do you mean?
That's enough.
Like,
You
like
said
you
you're
have.
not supposed to.
Not the bottom ones, no. This one though, yes. Whoa,
That
whoa,
is
whoa!
so
You're
wrong.
putting so much pressure on it.
Alright, it reminds me of the cookie. Remember we did the cookie ice cream?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's tilting.
Then we'll start decorating it.
It's tilting, right? This one might be too tall.
No one's holding. Use that for the horn. Yeah, like.
You got horn! horn! This one's sticking out too! This is all the icing that we have left.
So you're saying like make more?
Yes. Raya! Oh my gosh! Way too close.
So the purple didn't work out, so we have pink and blue. The purple
That's why
looks.
that's fine.
That's black to the eyelashes.
Oh.
Now it's turned.
I turned to what like? Stick.
It needs milk.
To stick?
No, it's. I mean, it's just too thick. The first one though, that was
Would you
just.
have anyone in
No.
these? No.
Is that thin enough?
Mom, you told her. Yeah.
I'm going.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What the heck, Ryan? This is too liquidy. It needs to hold the
Well, you
shape.
had a long day.
I just asked you and you
out,
said it's
saying
fine.
I
that.
know, I was not paying attention at all.
And that's whose fault?
She
Just
don't
let
let
us
anyone
blame
know.
other people.
I'm not blaming you or Mariah. Look, this needs to be a flower-like shape.
That's how it was, and you're like, we need to add milk to them.
Sorry.
Crazy.
I'm sorry.
That's crazy.
This needs milk. This needs milk.
What is
You put a little band in it.
Set it tight.
That is too much. That is not too much. That is too much. Yes, we are almost done with this freaking thing.
What do we have to do next, though?
Oh my god. Idiot. Oh my gosh.
Just sprinkles that we're gonna add after to give our touch.
Maybe that makes me look.
This is technically more like the kid teaches me how to bake, and we just followed.
And we died.
This. This right here.
No.
Oh, it's so cute. Show you.
Where it looks the best. Just don't take it out, put it back into the food.
Hi, Messi.
No, please don't mess this.
Come here. Not door.
Those look like
Messi's
bananas.
boy is a good boy.
Just
What
buy
am I
my
supposed
shirt.
to do?
Just buy my shirt. I'm gonna cry. It keeps coming out. Alright. I'm getting my okay. It's melting.
It's warm in here.
Just turn the AC on or open the door. Terrible! What went wrong?
She doesn't look terrible.
Mom, no. I'm
Oh.
our unicorn.
Oh.
Yeah. What happened to this one?
Can you grab it?
No, I kind of. No, you can't grab it.
Whatever.
Should we do the hearts or the circles?
I don't really want to do anything at this point. You should have just done sprinkles instead of these.
Wait. Just
Do some hard. Doesn't mean I can't do some. I only stuck. Well, only some of it this time.
Back.
I see it.
Okay, can we show the reveal? Drum roll, please. This lighting really sucks.
Everything's.
I didn't do any of my ice cream sprinkles. Nothing is coming out. I just punched. Okay, we need the reveal. Easy, guys.
Got this now.
Well, we tried. Our unicorn had a bad day, ladies and gents. The Wi-Fi, I guess. So, you guys can see, we very much so did try. We did try, yeah. I spent hours. Stop.
She's mad with the results.
Yes, I am very much. Did you guys see the cake? It had such
Potential.
potential. I mean, listen to this. Let's just eat a piece.
Yeah, let me end the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Putting sprinkles on it. Shush.
Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed.
Ready, guys? Wait, it's for
fail.
the ending.
This is all I'm eating today. There's no pencil in it. The sprinkles are hard. Oh, it's not that. The cake is actually really good.
It is good.
Like white. But we added sprinkles in a turkey. Oh.
Aftermath.
I'm gonna throw up.